It's a sunny morning at the busy construction site, and the friendly crew is ready to start their big project for the day. Here's Bruno the bulldozer, Dolly the crane, and Tippy the tipper truck working alongside their cheerful friend, foreman Mia. Mia holds up a colorful playground blueprint showing swings, a shiny slide, and a big sandbox ready to be built. The crew smiles and gets their engine started, excited to begin building the brand new playground. Bruno the bulldozer rolls forward, pushing the dirt carefully to make the ground smooth and flat. Tippy the tipper truck tips out a huge load of sand, but a little too much, making a tall, funny hill. Bruno laughs and says the big sand hill will be just right for the new sandbox. Dolly the crane stretches her long arm to lift heavy wooden posts and gently places them into the ground for the swings. A large puddle of water glistens right in the middle of where the slide is supposed to go. Tippy the tipper truck chuckles and calls the puddle a swimming pool for ducks. Bruno digs a narrow trench while Dolly moves rocks to let the water drain away safely. The water trickles into the nearby garden, and the bright rainbow shines across the sky. Dolly the crane slowly lowers the shiny new slide into its place, making sure it's steady. Tippy the tipper truck pours fresh, soft sand into the sandbox, taking his time to get it just right. Bruno the bulldozer smooths the grass around the playground, making it neat and tidy. The whole construction crew sings together as they work, proud of what they are building. Children run in happily to try the swings, the slide, and the sandbox for the very first time. Mia smiles and thanks the crew for working together to make the playground so special. Tippy the tipper truck jokes about building an ice cream shop next time, making everyone laugh. The crew waves proudly as the children play and laugh in the brand new playground. Suddenly, a big colorful playground wheel starts rolling away from the construction site. Bruno and Tippy race after the runaway wheel, honking their horns as they chase it through the park. Dolly the crane swings her hook quickly and catches the wheel just before it reaches the pond. The crew works together to roll the wheel safely back to the playground. Mia marks the wheel's exact spot on the playground blueprint with her bright red pen. The crew hangs colorful flags, shiny balloons, and pretty ribbons all around the playground. Dolly the crane carefully lifts a big, grand opening sign high above the new slide. Bruno plants flowers along the edge of the playground while Tippy waters them with a big smile. The crew and children gather together for the exciting ribbon-cutting ceremony. Everyone waves happily as the decorated playground is ready for a full day of fun and play.